Oh, here at Holloway Dam. about to jump in your lap here in a minute.
Hey, Jay, hey, close enough, ain't you?
Alright. Can you get off? Be real. You might be swimming towards you. Got it? Alright, I'm coming.
Oh, it's right here. What, you got a cat?
Yeah.
Nice one, too.
Let me hold it.
If you hold it, you gotta get in front of my camera.
No, I mean, I don't want to give it back though.
Oh. You got a fishing license?
Yes.
Show me your fishing license. You can have this mother.
Y'all don't keep catfish?
Nope.
Oh, no, she got the
I don't
license.
keep any fish.
That's what I'm saying. Show me that baby. You can have it.
Yours green, mine's green.
Yes, ma'am.
What y'all fishing for? Y'all just be fishing?
Whatever's biting.
Oh, okay.
Let me bring you a bucket, dear sir. Now you want to put some water in there? You need water? You won't need no water? You won't need none.
Huh?
You won't need none. Yeah. I don't know, but if they gonna catch them, and give them to me, I'm gonna take them. I'm gonna take them boys on the somebody. What y'all fishing with? Kitty?
Let him get a picture real quick.
Okay.
Is it?
See, I got some livers down there. They ain't real though. They blood livers.
Just straight up gizzard.
Yeah, Raymond, we should got some gizzards.
You want to put some water in there first?
I'm scared to get that close to the water.
No, I don't like touching them. That's why we got to.
Please be careful, don't fall.
Oh, we work around the water.
Oh. I'm in there, brother.
That'd be some good fillets right there too.
Yes, that's what I'm gonna go home and do. Just buy a brand new fillet knife. We need some of those.
And then turn it to the side.
Y'all just
There you
fishing
go,
and
ma'am.
fishing, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I ain't mad
You want me
at
to
y'all.
carry that over there for you?
Thank you.
Look at that.
No, I thought y'all fishing on the bottom. I thought y'all was fishing for catfish. Y'all seem like fishing.
Oh, we're fishing for cash.
Yeah, these probably about like 14. Yeah, that's it.
We got the same name. This cool shit.
Put all the pole together.
Did you just find a bobber?
Thanks.
Oh, they out here.
Yeah.
I'm about to try it. Don't need no barber though, do it?
Yeah, put it down from the line. That's good.
And everybody crawlers the same way.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try either this crawler or this chicken's liver. Like, what's on here?
Yeah.
One of these.
Put it in front. Okay.
I can because I can't do a hook.
Right here's where I got hit, dude. I have this right there. My whole bobbin went down. Huh? Yeah, I got bobbin right there. Dude, it went straight down. Started feeling drag.
This got a hook already in.
That wasn't a cat that hit my bobber. It's your turn, son. That's why we come back out.
Paladio's on it. He hears the bell, he's on it.
You gonna make nuggets out of them?
Huh?
Filet.
Filet 'em?
Fillet 'em.
You marinate them in like buttermilk or anything?
Nope. Fillet them and then wash them off real good, season them real good, put them in some milk and then throw them in some fried fish fry.
Y'all heard if you marinate them in milk, it takes all the gamey flavor out
They
of
do.
it. Is that true?
Yeah. And then they get rid of that real fishy smell. Too.
Yeah.
Like how you get perch and stuff that's got real fishy smell. You do it in milk, it do.
That's good to know.
Yeah.
Do you eat fish?
Yeah, we eat fish.
Oh, okay.
Not typically around here. We don't eat what we catch, but if I go out to a lake, you know what I'm saying, where there's nothing else connected to it, you know, no streams or nothing, then I'll eat it. But
And we
Oh,
go
okay.
to a private pond,
yeah,
so yeah.
And then I got a lot of partners on the fire department. And so I go up to Port Huron with them to fish too. So.
yeah. That's awesome. See all these little bubbles coming up? That's the fish that they're chasing.
I saw schools over there.
No, because it's bait fish. Yeah, big one. Right there. Feel that? Your left arm. Yeah, no, dude. I hooked one of them, dude. He spit out that fuck bone. Did you get a bite? She about to fill that bucket.
He's there, something here.
Something's hungry, man. That's not a cat. I know. I seen all those bubbles out there. I do my bobber right in the middle of all those little pebble things. You're fine. right here at the right. Literally right here in front of us.
Your turn after you.
It'll warm you up for 'em. We gonna pay for everybody, boy. Oh, yeah. My mental ain't live with it like it was. Got him. Be a bass, motherfucker. I'm gonna bring him. Whatever it is, he's huge. This little pole. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to fight him. It's a bass. Bro, just wait till I get him up. Wait till I get him up. That's what I said. Just wait a minute. All right, now. Smallmouth. Hi.
That's what's jumping up there.
Oh man, I almost lost it.
That's what's jumping up.
I barely had him hooked. I don't know. Is my camera still going?
I don't know.
Is that your where's your bobber?
That's it. Whose fault is that?
Mine.
That's your fault.
You're ready to drink that baby if it goes down. You want a picture? No, let him get it. Let him get it. Hold on one second. Take my back on.
That's what I did. I put another bait on it.
Nice.
Take it off of it.
Yeah, he's gonna be a big one, brother.
Try to walk him over here.
Just keep reeling, son. He ain't he ain't breaking that line, I guarantee you. That's 30-pound test.
Yeah, I don't know where that bob is. I thought about it. Don't know. Car, they can hard to see. Go ahead, try that. Why not?
Is that a catfish?
Yeah. This one's a little smaller. We'll have to check the size. I think catfish is what, 14?
12.
12? Oh yeah, he's legal in size.
He's a foot. He's a keeper.
I threw him back out there.
Huh?
No, don't throw it back out there.
No, I didn't.
No, I was talking about
The
the bottom.
bass.
There's
Oh.
four.
He threw his line back
Oh my
out.
God, don't throw it back out there.
He's a keeper. They gotta be at least 12. He's over that.
Yeah.
Hold on. Open him up. Yep. And clamp. Alright. Now let's see. Hold him. Hold him. He's all wrapped up.
I know down south they got a size limit.
Go to the gym.
Oh, God.
I'll put it in.
Come on, dude. Hold that mother. Grab them by like underneath the belly. I got a YouTube channel, guys. That's why we're doing this.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
If you want to check it out, it's Michigan Bank Fishing and Hunting.
Yeah.
Michigan Bank.
It's Michigan Bank and Hunting, or Michigan Bank Fishing and Hunting.
Okay.
I be watching the fish on YouTube. So
I can't.
Oh,
You want this one?
yeah, we'll take it.
Go drop it in the bucket.
Like I say,
Now he's got
3
a
or 4
friend.
of those, you got a meal. Shit, fillet them up.
Yeah.
Well, you might catch another one.
No problem. As long as they're legal. Yeah.
So Michigan Bank Fishing and Hunting.
Yeah.
So you be fishing all over.
Yeah, I go all around here.
Because we be trying to find places to fish off the bank. But I know like the Peacock where everybody going.
You go here, Zimmer Park, Columbiaville.
Where's Zimmer Park at? I ain't never heard of that.
Probably like 15 minutes from here.
Oh, okay.
It's out towards Columbiaville,
Uh-huh.
out that way.
But I can look that up, Zimmer Park.
Yeah, Zimmer Park.
They got good fishing out there.
I caught catfish this big out there, 3 of them,
Okay, that's the week.
like this big around.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he caught one earlier too.
Zimmer Park.
Zimmer Park. Yeah, that's where we was earlier.
Oh, okay.
It's not open like this though.
Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah.
they just got little trails that go down the hill into the water, and then like maybe 1 or 2 people like you guys can get in a little hole, you know.
Yeah. Z-I-M-M-E-R?
Huh?
Z-I-M-M-E-R?
I think it's Is that it? Yeah, he said it's it.
Okay.
I wasn't for sure.
All right.
That was our first time ever going out there was today.
Oh, okay.
And we went right to the boat launch, man. There was so many boats. It was hard. We did manage to catch some though.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome, dude.
That could be mine. Yours going off all your far.
Watch yours, Dad.
Oh, right here. This one's on.
Oh crap, it's on the possum, guys. Oh, he claimed it. So fast.
Come on, here's my new pool.
Yeah, I just started that YouTube channel. I only got like 8 videos up.
I'm gonna check it out.
Just throw it on that one. Again. What did we do with my other belt? Oh, right here. I told you you like night fishing, dude. You see how dark it is right now? Go look through the camera.
That's bright.
It's bright. You can see everything.